Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Alright, viewers and subscribers, welcome to the Sunday morning vibes. You don't know me bring to you something that will uplift the spirit on a time like this, and you don't know, not everyone, but a lot of people go to church on Sunday mornings, however, this video we bring to you is not really of the church, but would be something that seems to be of a 9-night setting. Well, it must be of a 9-night, but at the same time, this is what a 9-night looks like. Is what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers. But I mainly bring this to you to show you something about Jamaica's culture. Really and truly, this is an original culture of Jamaica. And like I said, this what you're looking at is how a 9-night or a setup would look. A 9-night and a setup is something that has to do with someone that would pass away, and you keep an event like this to like their memory, to honor their memory and them things. Is what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers. I bring this video to you viewers and subscribers, for those who might miss it and haven't been around something like this. Maybe you fly out of Jamaica, or you just live at certain areas where these kind of events don't keep like this anymore, because if you notice, things change where 9-nights don't play these kind of music at some 9-nights. Some 9-nights play music that is, like play every day, like radio and so forth, where it would be like dancehall music or rocksteady or so on. You know what I mean? But I remember, like, especially in the country areas, when you visit a setup or a 9-night, as I would say, remember when we did a 9-night and them play this thing named Emmanuel Road broke Rockstone. Go down Emmanuel Road, galang boy, Figo broke Rockstone, and them thing, then transfer the Rockstone and put it at the spot where your Rockstone is at. And you have to do it on a rhythm, right? You have to do it on a certain rhythm and maintain that pattern. And at any time you miss that pattern, then most likely the other person's Rockstone might hit you on the hand while you hold the Rockstone. Sometimes people get a little chip on the hand where it's a wound, It's a bit dangerous game, but at the time it seems fun, I don't know, but it wouldn't be something I would encourage anyone to do, viewers and subscribers, really and truly, because that thing, I remember one time, it almost caused a fight, to be honest, right at the setup. You see, but just bring this to you to make you see what I want, and if those who miss it, as me say, and to remember the original vibes, where Jamaica come from, so I say to you, and to uplift the spirit somewhat, and to always remind you to put God first. So I say to you viewers and subscribers, yeah, just remember, put thy Father first, alright? But anyways, I don't know things set already. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Until the next time, uno big up on yourself. You see it?